I want a bologna and cheese sandwich for dinner. And I want it served in the garage.
Where have you been?
You got my order.
Your order? You've got your nerve. What do you think you're doing coming home drunk and asking for a peasant sandwich when I've slaved over that microwave all afternoon?
And as for that deranged toaster, you know what you can do with it.
Oh, you ungrateful beast. Get to that table. You're getting what I had, spinach. Truthant.
Oh, no. I hope it isn't catching. This is terrible.
You're talking about my dinner.
That is terrible.
Oh, my God. Oh, you pig.
A pig and this should look like a sty. Yeah.
I can't understand what's bothering you, Donald.
That's what's bothering me. Look at it, will you? Tell me it doesn't look like something someone already ate 3 days ago.
Oh, no, don't start that again. It's a delicacy, and it's cheap, and it really helps my food money go far.
Yeah? Well, I'll make it go far. I'll make it go far. Watch this.
Wait! What do you do? You're not going to throw out my food?
Well, I'm not going to wait for it to kill me.
Oh, you won't have to wait for that, you moron, because I'll kill you first. From now on, I'm not worrying about you. I'll only worry about feeding myself.